Hey everybody, it's Poochie, and this is another in the series of Road to 100K videos. So what we're doing is we've taken an eBay account. I've been selling on eBay for over 27 years. We're taking an account from zero and trying to get it to $100,000 a year in eBay sales. We're doing pretty good. It is the slowdown time of year, about tax time, and during summer eBay usually slows down. So let's see how we've done. Okay, let's check our goals first. Improve inventory quality, clear out old inventory, source at the bins at least once a week, aggressively market with sales, etc. Build up inventory reserves. So those are the goals. How do we do? Let's get into it. We did good. It was a really slow week on eBay. I mean, Sunday kind of came along and saved us because one day on eBay, I think we made $80 in sales. Post below if you've had problems to selling on eBay as well, if you've had some days where it's just like crazy. We had 3 days, and I think the last one was Friday or Saturday, and I think it was Friday, and it was just deathly slow. So we did okay on Poshmark. We had about half the sales we normally have. We did twice as well on Depop. We did one sale on Mercari, which is awesome because Mercari has no seller fees anymore, which I love. So let's get down to brass tacks here. Some of this I'm going to add up as we go. So 52, 59, 66 sales. Let's calculate how much our average sale price is. Sorry, 1459.21 plus 220. Really good average sale price on Poshmark because we had a big ticket item sell on Poshmark, which I'm very thankful for. So the total is $1,829.95. Sorry, I'm in a little rush today, and we're going to divide that by 66, and that is $27.72 average sales price. That is up almost $4 from last week. So that's pretty good. Our shipping is $277.15. Our selling fees, let's add these up. I'm in a little bit of a hurry because I have to go in and spend some time with Drea. One of her best friends from when she was a kid passed away. And, you know, I like to do nice things for people when they're sad, especially the people that I love. So 110.04 is that. And cost of goods is 107 plus 20 plus 10 basically is 137. 137. Okay, now let's get to brass tacks here. Sorry I'm adding all this up when we're going, but we had much less profit on eBay this week. Much less. But like I said, I mean a couple $100. It was just a bad eBay week. But what we're doing is we've been trying to build up our reserves so we can list at least 30 items a day. And we've been doing that. So total profits, $982.65. So thank goodness for these other places because eBay bit it this week. Yeah, it was a hard week on eBay. We've been trying to build up our inventory reserve so we can do that list 30 a day. And I've decided that it doesn't matter if we're buying stuff for, $455 and selling it higher, or if we're buying stuff for 60 cents and selling it lower. As long as the profit margin is there, we're good. Let's check out some of the stuff that sold. We did get to the bins once this week, by the way, I wanted to say. Vineyard Vines, this is the only thing we sold on Mercari. We paid a couple bucks for it, and it sold for $14.25. So yay, Mercari, bring us more like that, please. On Depop, we had a couple good sales. American Fighter, this cool shirt, kind of a marbled tie-dye look, sold for $29.99. We also had this Israeli Defense Forces shirt, which is pretty cool and kind of, topical, definitely a topical shirt right now. We paid a couple bucks for that. And also the picture is bad, blurry, sorry about that, but these cost 50 cents. And they sold for $29.99. Just virgin wool pants. People love virgin wool. I don't know. These Brandini pants, this is Poshmark. These were 50-cent items as well. They sold for $25. So thank you very much. 50 cents into $25. I'll take it. This Marmot shirt. Marmot is a pretty good brand, and this has nice colors. It is a snap button men's shirt, just a really nice pattern. Sold for 20 bucks. And again, we probably paid a couple bucks for it. This one, I know I paid $4.99 for. I got two of them. This one was the first to sell. And it is a Houston Astros, really cool colorway here with the Astros colors. It's a ladies sweater, sold for $125. And I paid $4.99. So yes, let's get into eBay sales. Not really a spectacular week, but I did sell some fancy schmancy designer pieces, so that's good. This is a vintage Vintage America is what it is. Vintage America. And it's just a nice shirt, lots of embroidery with the patches, sold for $18.99, full asking price, and it sold fairly quickly. I got that at the bins, so it probably cost me $1.50. Tommy Bahama shirt, just a nice, very plain. People sometimes think Tommy Bahama, the plain stuff, doesn't sell. It does. This sold for $23.74, and I think I paid, not sure, that might have been a 50-cent item. If it wasn't, it was $4.50 at the most. This one, definitely didn't pay full price for this. Probably paid 50 cents or maybe even a quarter, or got it at the bins, and it sold for $24.99, the LL Bean sweater. Tobacco Road, paid a couple bucks for this. Under Armour Tobacco Road golf wear, cool design. I sold that for 20 bucks. This one I think I got it either at 50-cent day or at the bins. Might have been even quarter day, but I just loved it. I thought from the label, maybe it's, or from the tag, maybe it's something special. But I love the design. Look at the design on this. It's just awesome. So that sold for $25. And again, hardly paid anything. This one I think Betsy paid $4.50 for. It's an Athleta. The really nice shirt with the quarter zip in the front. Nice pattern. Athleta does really well for us when we get it. We don't get it that often in this area for some reason, but this sold for, I think, $22. This one, Mount Kenya Safari. I love this shirt. I used to own a business called Safari Club in Oregon, so I was a little partial to this. I paid $2, and I think it sold for $25. This one I've had for a while, but has had a lot of watchers. It is basically Skull and Crossbones Darth Vader. So it's just a really unusual, it's like wash with souls. I mean, I don't know, but I just thought it was a really cool shirt. I literally paid maybe $3 for it, and it sold for, I think it sold for full price of $31.58. This one is just a Gap rugby shirt. Nice with the bold, bright stripes. Again, something I paid probably 50 cents, maybe $1 or $2 for, and it sold for $22.55. These were a bins find. It was in a bin, I swear. It was in a bin that had been picked over and gone through, and I looked at it and went, does that label say what I think it says? Gianni Versace Couture. So they finally sold on a best offer. I think I sold them for $65, $75, which I was happy for. I had them for a while. This sold pretty quick. Ralph Lauren 2015 US Open shirt, Chambers Bay, just a nice US Golf Association little jacket. It sold for full price of $47.49 and sold pretty quickly. This one I was very happy with. Lucky Brand. This sold for $28.49 for full price. And if you look, Lucky Brand doesn't really sell that great on shirts, but this one did. It's just a nice little Western design, and it's got the pearl snap buttons, 2 extra large though. So it sold for $28.49. This I got because I just loved the shirt. It sold for a full price of $29.99. It has the contrast cuffs. Those cuffs, that is what you want to list them at. Contrast cuff or cuffs. That's what you want to, the keyword you want to use. But it's just a really cool shirt, well designed, and it sold pretty quickly. I was happy because it's not a great brand. Sold pretty quickly for $29.99. This one, I've had it for a little while, but it is Prada Milano, baby. It sold for an offer of $85, I believe, but I paid less than $5, so I'm okay with that. This one, I paid a couple bucks for. I don't know what is special about this, but it's an Omori. I think we got $25 for it on an offer. It's some sort of Omori, and we had a lot of watchers on this shirt. So watch for Omori shirts. This is what the tag looks like right here. And again, I paid literally a couple bucks. I've had this one before. I've sold it before. This was sold for, I think, 22 bucks. I was happy with that. It's just a vintage, stressed out with the kitten. And I've had it before. It sold pretty quick. This one sold fairly quick. So be watching for that stressed out kitten shirts. There's a lot of them out there. This is just a Hog's Breath Key West, Florida shirt. Sold for $27.07. It's vintage single stitch. I paid maybe $2, $3 for it, and it sold for $27.07. This is a Free People shirt. Sold for full price of $23.74. Pretty cute. It's got like it's got eyelets, okay? But it's got like, it's lacy, doily looking. But Betsy probably paid $4.50 for that, and it sold for $23.74. This I got for a couple bucks, but I got it specifically because I knew this was going to sell before 4th of July. Well, I didn't know, but I thought. Sold for $28.49, and it's just a really cool 4th of July coming up. People are going to wear this. It's cool. That's a cool outfit. So I sold it for $28.49, and I paid maybe a couple bucks. I think I got it at the bins or a 50-cent day, but that's not something that I would really pay up full price for. And full price is $4.50, just to let you know here. So this one is a Chubbies shirt. No idea what's so special about it. People like Chubbies brand. This one has a little flag hit. It's sold for full price $33.24. And one more thing that sold, I will show you. These are Magellan hunting outdoor trousers, but they're just, I looked at them and they're kind of just unusual. You see how they have the canvas down here, the brown canvas, and up here too, just that unusual pants. I think I paid $4.50 for them, and they sold for $28.49. So that's it, guys. Remember to always buy low, sell high. Please subscribe. For subscribers, I have a very special announcement coming up soon on the Poochie's Pickers channel. So make sure you subscribe over there too. Thanks for watching, guys. I sure do appreciate it.